All right, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Today is January the 12th, 2025, 26. I am Judge Case Johnson. When I call your case, please make your announcements. Lakeisha Bailey
State will be ready.
and deputy for the inmates. If I call that inmate name, they don't need to respond, but if they could raise their hand and we'll know they're actually in the courtroom, that would be great. All right. All right. Who has Mr. Bailey? Is Mr. Bailey in the courtroom?
It's Miss Bailey, Your Honor.
It's a miss, so she's probably not in there. Okay.
That case is assigned to Attorney Craig Lewis, Your Honor.
Okay, Attorney Lewis. All right, thank you. Terrence Banks. Terrence Banks.
State will be ready.
And the last check, Judge, he was still, I think he's in the marshal's custody. He's not at the jail this morning.
He's not at the jail. Okay. All right, so let's move this to
Judge, that's what I have too, U.S. Marshal's custody.
Okay.
Do you want to move it to March 16th, Your Honor?
March
Yes.
Judge, can
15th.
I propose, can we put him on the same date as the other person that's in April? So we have all the U.S. Marshal people on the same calendar? Does it matter? But
Yeah, I was actually going to suggest that. So what date is that?
I believe it's April 14th.
It's the 15th.
April.
April 15th.
15th. Okay. That's going to go on April 15th. What about James Beasley? James Beasley.
State will be ready.
I need to hold on that one, Judge.
Okay. Jaden Brown.
State's ready. Officers logged on.
Attorney Lewis.
Justice Carmichael. Justice Carmichael.
State will be ready. State will be ready.
Is this Mr. Lewis case?
Private attorney listed on the calendar.
Who is it?
Jonathan Melnick.
Son Melnick. That's what's
Jonathan
on the calendar.
Who?
Yeah, he sent me an email this weekend.
Melnick. Jonathan
yeah.
Melnick.
Let me see. I don't think he indicated he's going to be late. He was asking about a bond, which I can't set in this. There he is. He's just asking about a consent bond. He doesn't say anything about conflict or anything.
He emailed you?
Yes, ma'am. He did Saturday morning. He's just asking about a consent.
Can you email him back and let him know that he was supposed to be in court this morning? What's his announcement?
I will, Judge. I'll CC Ms. Thomas Stanley on it.
Okay, that would be great. I must say, this makes me so happy to be able to see the inmates because I know that they are able to hear and see what is going on in court. That makes a difference.
seems to work better so far.
Good.
I just sent it, Judge.
All right, thank you. Deshaun Collins.
State will be ready.
And Judge, we'd like a continuance on that one. We need to, Mr. Collins and I need to have a more thorough conversation.
Okay. And so are we said we're doing February the 9th? Yate, is that good?
Yes, Your Honor.
All righty, so let's do 2. What about Marquez Comrie?
State will be ready.
Attorney Lewis, Your Honor.
Mhm. David Conley.
Excuse
Uh-huh.
Collins.
Excuse me, Judge. I think Mr. Collins is maybe asking if he can be excused, I think is what he's asking.
But who is Collins?
He's at Wheeler. That's the one I just asked for the continuance. So
Oh, yes, he can be excused. Yes, thank you, Mr. Wheeler.
All right, have a blessing.
Have a good one. So David Connolly.
State will be ready.
Attorney Brandon Lewis is assigned to that case, Your Honor. I sent him the link on Friday.
Kamari Dials. Oh, that's the one we're going to do the continuance to 4/15. It's going to be defense request.
Okay, Your Honor, Kamari Dials, I thought the reset was for the people for 4/15 or for the folks who are in U.S. Marshal custody. So you want to put all these co-defendants out that far too?
Oh, I said February the 9th.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, February the 9th. Um, and that was Ms. Smalls.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Hassan Dillard.
State will be ready.
Attorney Lewis.
Okay. Deontay Early.
State will be ready. Your Honor, this gentleman is represented by private counsel.
Who is that
And
private counsel?
as to, hold on, I believe the paralegal just made that announcement saying that the attorney will log on as soon as she's done.
Okay.
Uh,
All right,
Attorney
I'll hold on that one.
Isilo,
January 3rd, he's extended.
Iasiello.
That is Attorney Steph Iasello, yes. They are in Gwinnett County at the moment.
I'll hold on this one. What about Antoine Gibson?
State will be ready.
Right.
Attorney Lewis.
That's Attorney Lewis case. All righty. What about Rashad Gooden?
State will be ready.
Attorney Lewis.
I'm sorry, what was that announcement on Gooden?
It's Attorney Lewis's case, Judge.
Okay.
That defendant might be in the hospital, and I'm not sure if he's still there. The last time he had court, that's where he was. So I'm not sure if he's still in the hospital.
So Deputy, can you find out, do you have Mr. Gooden?
Okay. The man that she just died, just wait until they make an obituary or a death certificate from him. He just died. So she
Do
couldn't.
you have Mr. Gooden?
Judge, when I checked this when preparing my calendar, it still showed that he was in the hospital. Now, I don't know if he's still there because I did this last week, but he went in, I think it was on October the 14th, and as of last week, he was still there.
We just need to make sure we don't lose him.
Yes.
So let's put him on 2/9. Kajim Green,
State will be ready.
Your Honor, that defendant is represented by Bradley Moody.
Moody.
Yes, Your Honor, Bradley Moody.
Okay. Did he get the link? Do you know?
Yes, Your Honor. I sent it to him on Friday.
All right. Is there any way you can email him and say the court is waiting for your announcement?
I can try, Your Honor.
Thank you. Rakeem Halbert. Rakeem Halbert.
State will be ready, Your Honor.
Okay.
Attorney Lewis.
Lewis. Jocelyn Hester.
State will be ready.
Nobody. Need to hold that one, Judge.
Okay. Aldia Howie.
It's gonna be regardless of what happens.
State will be ready.
And that may be a hearing. I just need to double check with Mr. Howard this morning.
Okay. Anthony Jenkins.
State will be ready.
Your Honor, that defendant is represented by Attorney Thomas Mondelli. Was he on this morning, ADA Thomas?
I saw him, but he logged on, then he logged off.
Okay. Attorney Mondelli, Your Honor.
Okay. Vasquez Jimenez.
State will be ready.
And I need to hold on that one, Judge. I think Ms. Tolles is here to help me out on that one.
Tyrone Johnson.
State will be ready. State will be ready.
All right. Who has this case?
Attorney Told is listed on the calendar.
Yeah, I got an email. I'm not sure if you got it, Ms. Davis. I think he has a conflict today. Is that what did you get that, Ms. Davis?
No, I didn't get that email.
Let me see. What was it that he sent?
This is getting out of hand with attorneys. Just no call, no show, no
You're
conflict
correct, ADA
letter.
Thomas. He said he's on leave. He did say that.
Yeah. He says, please be advised, I have a leave of absence on 1/12/26. Please continue the case. I have attached my leave of absence, so the case will be continued to a day that I am not on leave. He sent that to Miss Wesley, Judge, and Miss Thomas Stanley and Miss Davis.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
I just forwarded to you, Your Honor.
Say that again.
I forwarded the email to you.
Okay. Just now?
Yes, Your Honor, just now.
All righty.
And Your Honor, he has two clients on today's calendar, Mr. Johnson and DeMontavious Snyder.
We're putting all these on 2/9. So Deputy, if you have Tyrone Johnson or Snyder, they can go back. Their cases continue to February the 9th. Clifton Jones.
State will be ready. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Mr. Jones is the consent bond with Attorney Jackson was on earlier.
Jackson.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay. Gregory Jones.
State's ready. The officer's logged on.
Mhm.
Attorney Lewis.
Well, all Attorney Lewis officers always be present. Aravias Jordan,
State will be ready.
That's Attorney Lewis also, Your Honor.
Isla Kruchkov,
Hold on. What's the name again, Your Honor?
is that Leah Kruchkov? Kriuchkov?
Let me double check that one. Yes. Aaliyah Kruchko. State will be ready on this one, Your Honor. I have down an attorney, Olga Izmailova, and I believe this person is a Russian speaker. I know the victim is. I can repeat that
It's a
last
private
name.
attorney.
I believe so, Your Honor. What the calendar says is Olga, Olga, last name Izmaylov.
All right, and you haven't gotten any information from that attorney?
No, ma'am. Only contact I've had has been through my advocate with the victim, and we know the victim is Russian.
Oh, wow, these are y'all attorneys gonna start respecting magistrate court. It's getting out of hand. This is getting out of hand. Okay, well, we're gonna start being a little firmer with that. When attorneys just don't show up and don't call or email, don't do a conflict letter. Because now these individuals have to be continued yet again. Secondi Landy,
State will be ready.
Pre-trial judge.
Sir Rogers, thank you for respecting this court and always appearing. I appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am.
Robert Lewis,
State will be ready.
Attorney Craig Lewis, Your Honor.
Eric Martin,
State will be ready.
I think that's fit bond judge.
James Mathis,
State will be ready.
Attorney Craig Lewis, Your Honor.
Jonathan Perez,
That defendant, Your Honor, 1 second, Your Honor, for Mathis, he was in Fulton County Jail. I'm not sure if he's back in yet.
Deputy, do we have James Mathis? Deputy?
No, we don't, Your Honor.
You do not? Okay. So we'll continue that one to 2-9. Thank you, Ms. Davis. Jonathan Perez,
State will be ready.
Attorney Lewis, Your Honor.
Kevin Peters,
State will be ready.
And Judge, I'm not sure if that's with our office, but in any event, Mr. Peters is not at the jail right now. It may be Mr. Law's case. That's why I say I'm not sure.
No,
Deputy,
the
do
law's
you
case,
have
I asked him, do I?
it's who case?
I think Mr. said it's not. I think Mr. Law said that it's not his case.
It's Mr. Lawson case?
No, Mr. Law, Derek Law said that it is not his case, apparently.
Or it's
Not
not
his
his
case.
case? Okay,
No.
So with that being said, Mr. Peters is also not at the jail right now. So we need a continuance.
okay.
Your Honor, for some reason, I had a note from December the 15th. It says defendant at East Central Regional Hospital. Is that a mental health facility, perhaps?
Looks like it.
And then I have down as a question about attorney law. So you're saying he definitely does not represent, so.
He doesn't, 88 Thomas, I asked him.
Okay.
So let's put this one on that April date. April 15th. Let's put that one on the April 15th date.
Will he have a counsel by then, Judge, or we just trying to keep up with him?
Trying to keep up with him, but Ms. Davis, if you could arrange for him to get new counsel.
No, I think he's with the office. I don't think that's an
Oh,
issue.
he is. Okay.
Okay.
All righty. Katrea Porter.
State will be ready, Your Honor.
That may be a hearing, Judge. I just need to confirm with Mr. Porter this morning.
Anthony Rawl.
1 second, Judge.
Okay.
And Your Honor, Attorney Rawls, we're waiting on a conflict counsel, so he'll need to be continued, Your Honor. So that a
The conflict attorney. Okay.
Yeah.
So Anthony Rawls is being continued.
Yes, I'm going to put that one on 2/9. Respis Tariq.
State will be ready.
And I need to hold in check with Mr. Respis this morning.
Okay. John Robinson.
State will be ready.
Attorney Curry Lewis, Your Honor.
Rodriguez was indicted. Alvarado Romero.
State will be ready.
Attorney Curry Lewis.
Anthony Smith. Anthony Smith.
State will be ready.
That defendant is represented by Bradley Moody.
Moody.
Yes, Your Honor, Bradley Moody.
Okay.
I will send him an email, Your Honor, again.
Thank you. DeMonteria Snyder, that is Attorney Lee that's on toll. That case is continued to February the 9th. He's free to go. Desmond Stokes.
State will be ready.
I think there's going to be a hearing, Judge. I just need to double check this morning.
Okay. Thomas Lee, that's Derek Law. Genesis Bagera.
One second, Judge.
Your Honor,
Bagera?
Thomas Lee being continued.
Excuse me.
Is Thomas Lee being continued?
Bagera is constantly being continued.
Is Thomas Lee being
Oh,
continued?
Thomas Lee. That's the attorney.
No, that's the
Derek
defendant.
Law. But is he being continued?
No, we're going to see if Derek Law logs on first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Genesis Vergara.
State will be ready. Your Honor, something I need to check on this one.
Okay.
State will be ready.
Okay.
And I need to hold on that one, Judge. That's another one I think Ms. Tolles is here to help with.
Okay. Noah Walker.
State will be ready.
I think that's Mr. Lewis's case. Carl Lewis.
Yes, Attorney Lewis, Your Honor. Sorry about that.
Okay. Rodriguez Whitlock.
State will be ready.
Also Attorney Lewis.
Al Williams.
State will be ready.
Pretrial judge.
Joshua Williams.
Joshua or Josiah, Judge?
Josiah. I'm sorry. Josiah.
State will be ready.
Your Honor, Attorney Mondelli told us that he represents that defendant. Attorney Thomas Mondelli.
Mhm. But he's not here either.
He was earlier, Judge, but I didn't get a chance to speak with him. He logged off.
Jeremy Woods.
State will be ready.
And good morning, Judge. I represent Mr. Woods. We're ready for a preliminary hearing in that matter.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And that concludes the call of the calendar. Did I miss anyone?